The Clock Watcher Employee. Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Every workplace has encountered the clock watcher, the employee who measures the day not by output or impact, but by how close the hands are to 5 o'clock. This is the person who disappears during working hours, returns just in time to be seen, and treats presence as performance. While it may seem like a minor habit, clock watching carries serious consequences for the organization and the team. A clock watcher contributes the bare minimum, often leaving others to pick up the slack. Deadlines become shared burdens. Morale quietly drops and trust begins to erode. When one person consistently evades responsibility, it sends a damaging message. Effort is optional, accountability is negotiable, and fairness does not matter. Over time, the hardworking employees feel frustrated, unappreciated, and demotivated. The damage extends beyond productivity. A culture that tolerates clock watching normalizes mediocrity. Excellence becomes the exception rather than the standard. Instead of asking, "What can I contribute today?" the question becomes, "How soon can I leave?" That mindset is slowly weakens professionalism and pride in work. Ultimately, clock watching costs the employees most. Growth requires engagement, initiative, and presence. Opportunities pass by those who merely wait out the day. In the workplace, time is not just something to be spent, it is something to be invested. And those who only watch the clock rarely move forward when it finally stops. Thank you for watching.